Changes in land cover and terrestrial biogeochemistry are becoming a greater and greater threat as climate change continues to alter the planet. Changes in land cover specifically are causing once rare events to become more common and dangerous. As land cover changes, the threat to agriculture, albedo, fire, and other issues increases. One area in particular has seen significant impacts of this changing landscape. This area is the state of California. The lack of rain in California drastically impacts the plant life. Without rain, invasive plant species are able to spread much more rapidly. These species make agriculture more difficult as well as add biomass for the fires that have ravaged the state in recent years. Moving forward, the forecasts for the environment in the area are bleak. According to Climate Science Special Report 4th National Climate Assessment, Volume 1, quote, "The drought in California, combined with future warming, will lead to long-term changes in land cover, leading to increased probability of climate feedbacks and an ecosystem shifts." End quote. Clearly, as the problem continues, the impact on the environment will only continue to get worse. In terms of communities, the forecast isn't much better. Cities and towns are only becoming more exposed to the risks of fires and evacuations. Droughts are making day-to-day life more difficult, and agriculture is made more difficult as well due to a lack of water as well as invasive plant species. Not much action is being taken against this, so it is likely that this will only continue to worsen. From the perspective of a policymaker, it is evident that there are many problems facing the area, and that there is no clear solution to climate change issues, as one state alone will not be able to fix it. However, action can be taken to lessen the extent of the damage. Implementing fire breaks would be easy and not too expensive, and while they wouldn't solve the problem, it would be a step in the right direction. On top of that, public education regarding water use and encouraging people to limit their usage would allow for more water to be used in areas of desperate need where the natural vegetation and land cover could return over time.